I'm going to lay out the 6 key principles of successful enterprise business intelligence and show you how the Administrate platform, and specifically our reporting engine, helps you get there. First, it's measurable. All the data in your training world is available to the Administrate reporting engine via our API, so you're able to look for critical insights wherever they can be found. Second, it's repeatable. Recognizing trends in your operation is key to success. Frequency of engagement is critical. Administrate gives you dynamic live analytics to help see those trends. Third, it's actionable. You should be able to take the data you're referencing and take insightful action. With Administrate, you can click and investigate directly from your reports. Fourth, it's reportable. Unlike other systems, Administrate provides you custom reports that reference data from all your various systems. And these reports can be distributed via email or saved directly into your browser. Fifth, it's relatable. Business intelligence should tell a story in a way that resonates within your organization. It should align with your initiatives. Administrate lets you build those tailored reports instead of canned or templated stock reports without the cost or time of custom development. And finally, it's oriented to ROI. None of this matters if you can't correlate efficacy to cost, analyze fill rates, or measure your team's effectiveness against learning success. Because Administrate is the infrastructure for all the training you provide, you'll have the ability to evidence ROI and maybe even turn your cost center into a profit center. Thank you so much for watching today, and please get in touch with us to learn more.